Good morning, children. Today I will teach you word problems. That is from exercise 4.3, page number 88, question number 8, 9. If it is possible, question number 10. Just see question number 8. A train travels 360 km at a uniform speed. If the speed had been 5 km per hour more, it would have taken 1 hour less from the same journey. Find the speed of the train. So, the train travels 360 km at a uniform speed. Here, this is the problem based on speed, distance, time. The speed is moving with a uniform speed. We all have known speed equal to distance traveled by time taken. Distance by time equal to speed. And uniform speed means the train moves in a same distance with the same interval of time. Okay, so how much distance in a first minute it has moved, in the second minute also same distance it has moved, third minute also same distance it has moved. That means, so it is covered equal distances in equal intervals of time. Okay, so whatever speed equal to distance by time, distance equal to speed in time, time equal to distance by speed. Here time equal to distance by speed. This is the common. We have to know the common general things we have to know. Okay. First, the speed of train. The uniform speed of train is 360 uniform speed of a train is x kilometer per hour length, and distance equal to 360 kilometer. 360 kilometer. According to question, try to understand the question. The question is given: a train travels 360 km at a uniform speed. So first, distance equal to 360 km and length we have taken, let the uniform speed is x km per hour. Okay, so what will the time? So time will be equal to distance by speed. Time equal to distance by speed. So distance by speed, that is equal to 360 by speed equal to x kilometer, hours. 360 by x hours. Okay. Next it is told that if the speed had been 5 km per hour more, if the speed had been 5 km per hour more. So new speed equal to how much? Speed equal was x km per hour. So new speed now x plus 5 km per hour, and distance it was the same. Distance equal to 360 km. And so new time equal to same 360 by x plus 5 hours. So as speed was x km per hour, distance it is constant 360 km. So time was taken 360 by x hours. but the speed is increased. how much 5 kilometer per hour it is increased. As 5 kilometer per hour the speed is increased, so new speed is x plus 5 kilometer per hour. Okay, and distance is the same, so new time equal to 360 by x plus 5 hours. So this is the new time. So first time the time taken was 360 by x, second time the time was 360 by x plus 5. So which one is less time and which one is more time, you know. So here the numerators are same, less the denominator, greater the value, greater the denominator, less the value. Okay, so that as this one is more, so this one is less time. So obviously, so when speed is more, so time will be less time it will be taken. Okay, so according to question, it is given that it would have taken 1 hour less time. So this one and this one, the difference between these two time is 1 hour. So this one is taken 1 hour less time. Okay, so this one minus this one, or this one minus this one equal to 1. So according to question, so 360 by x minus 360 by x plus 5 equal to 1. This is the equation we got. We have to convert it into quadratic equation. Implies that x whole into x plus 5, this one divided by x equal to x plus 5, 360 whole into x plus 5 minus this one divided by x plus 5x, that is 360 into x equal to 1. Now here implies that 360 into x, 360x plus 360 into 5 plus 360 into 5. 0, 5, 6 are 30, 0, 3, 5, 3 are 15, 3, 18. 360 into 5 equal to 1800 minus 360x divided by x into x, x square, x into 5 plus 5x, that is equal to 1. Everybody understood perhaps? Okay, thank you. Good. Now implies that minus 360 plus 360 cancelled. Now cross multiplication, x square plus 5x equal to 1800 by 1. 1800 implies that x square plus 5x minus 1800 equal to 0. Now 1800 we have to factorize. 2, this is 900, to 450, to 225, 3, 5. We have to divide it into two parts, so that so product will be, obviously it will be 800, but sum will be plus 5. So what will be 15, 3 ja 2 2 ja 4 2 ja 8, 8 5 ja 8 5 ja 40, 3 3 ja 9 5 ja 45, 45 and 40. So it will be closer, so that it will come nearer to 5. Implies that plus 5 means this one will be plus, this one will be minus. X square plus, it will be plus 45 and minus 40, because plus 45 into minus 40 will be minus 1800. Minus 1800 is there, and plus 45 plus minus 40 equal to plus 5. So we will take plus 45x minus 40x minus 1800 equal to 0. Here implies that x over into x plus 45 minus 40 whole into x plus 45 equal to 0 implies that x plus 45, here x plus 45, here x plus 45 taken common, equal to x minus 40 equal to 0 implies that x plus 45 equal to 0 or x minus 40 equal to 0 implies that x equal to minus 45 or x equal to 40. Here this is the solution of a quadratic equation. I have done it by factorization method, but you can use the formula direct. X equal to minus b plus or minus b square minus of 4ac root over by 2a. By using this formula also you can find, or by completing the square method also you can do. That is your choice. But this one, if it is easier, so that I have done this, and you can follow or you can use the formula. Okay, so x equal to minus 45 or x equal to 40. What is x? X is the speed of a train, but train speed of train cannot be negative. So as speed of a train can be negative, so speed of a train is uniform speed of a train is, this is 40 kilometer per hour. This is the problem. It is solved. Okay, understood? Yes, understood or not? Okay, very good, nice, good. Okay, now next problem, that is a water tap. Okay, question number 9. Now question number 9. Can you love this? Okay. So question number 9, two water taps together can fill a tank. Okay, this is a tank. Okay, two water taps together. One here, one water tap. Okay. And here also another one water tap. So here is the water coming and here also water coming to fill the tank. Two taps are there. Here tap number 1 and this is tap number 2. Okay, or this is A, this is B. It is told that both the tap A and tap B, both the tap, they can fill the whole tank. Here the water can tap, time taken by both 9 hole 3 by 8 hours. 9 hole 3 by 8 hours. That is 75 by 8 hours. Okay, 9 is a 72 plus 3, 75 by 8 hours. So the time taken by two taps to fill the tank is 75 by 8 hours. Okay, and next what is given? The tap of a larger diameter takes 10 hours less than the smaller one to fill the tank. If separate they will fill. If it will be open only, and it can fill how much time it will be taken. And if it will be open only single it will be open, and how much time it will be taken, we will see. So this is the larger diameter. Its diameter is larger than its diameter. This is the cylindrical tab. This is the cylindrical tab. Okay, its diameter is less than this diameter. Okay, it is told that the larger diameter takes 10 hours less than the smaller one to fill the tank separately. It will take 10 hours less time. 10 hours less time. Okay, than this one. If this one will be opened and it will fill the tank in 5 hours, it will take, because it is less, 10 hours less it will take. So if it is taking 15 hours to fill the tank, 15 minus 10, 5. It will take 5 hours to fill the tank. But both at a time they will fill the tank by 75 by 8 hours. Okay, now we have to find the time in which each tap can separately fill the tank. So now we have to find this one is how much time it is taking, and this one how much time it is taking. Okay, let the tap of larger diameter takes X hours to fill the tank. So the smaller, the tap of smaller diameter will take time to fill equally. So this one taking X hours. This one is taking X hours. This one is taking 10 hours more, because this one is taking how much time? It is taking 10 hours less time. So it will take, smaller one will take X plus 10 hours. Okay, one is taking X hours, this one is taking 10 plus X hours, because larger one whose diameter is more, it will take less time, because more water will flow. Why more water will flow? Because its diameter more, its volume will be more, because this one is the cylinder, this is the radius. Okay, according to radius, if radius will be more, its volume will be more. Okay, so more water will flow. That's why when the tap of a larger diameter is taking X hour to fill the tank, so the tap of a smaller diameter will take X plus 10 hours. Now, but both they have taken this much time. This tap took this much time, this tap took this much time to fill the tank. Both at a time they are open and they together fill the tank. So in 1 hour, this is the tap larger diameter. This is tap A. We have to take let the tap A of a larger diameter. This one is same with the, so the tap of tap B. So the tap B of a smaller diameter will take this time, this much. So we will take, so in 1 hour the tap A can fill how much water, how much part of the tank? That is 1 by, because it is taking X hours. So in 1 hour it will take 1 by X parts. Okay. And next, in 75 by 8 hours, it will take how much? 1 by x into 75 by 8 parts. So that is equal to 75 by 8x parts. Same way, we'll take same way in the tab B in 1 hour, in 1 hour can fill x plus 10 hours it is taking to fill. Now in 1 hour how much it can fill? 1 by x plus 10 parts. Okay, so in 75 by 8 hours it can fill, that is equal to 1 by x plus 10 into 75 by 8 parts. Now this much is the part and this much is the part. Both parts together will be one whole part of the tank. So according to question, here we can write 75 by 8x plus 75 by 8 whole into x plus 10, that is equal to 1. This is the equation we have to solve to get the speed of water in first tank and also in second tank. Okay, so everybody, you have written this and everybody understood? Yes, understood. Okay, thank you Baba. Yes, okay, now can I rub this? Can I rub? Okay. Now implies that 75 by 8 will take common. 75 by 8 will take common. This is 1 by x plus 1 by x plus 10, that is equal to 1. Imply that 75 by x whole into x plus 10. This one will be x plus 10 plus x. This one divided by x equal to x plus 10, x plus 10. This one divided by x plus 10 equal to x into 1 x, that is equal to 1. Imply that 75 by 8 into this is 2x plus 10 divided by x square plus 10x equal to 1. So we will multiply implies that 75 into 2 150x plus 750 divided by 8x square plus 80x equal to 1. Imply that 8x square cross multiplication will do now. 8x square plus 80x equal to 150x plus 750. Imply that 8x square plus 80x minus 150x minus 750 equal to 0. This one transpose, it came to this side, it will be negative. Imply that 8x square 80x minus 150x minus 70x minus 750 equal to 0. If we take 2 common, 4x square minus 35x minus 375 equal to 0. Understood? Understood now? Okay. Now 2 will go the side, 0 by 2 equal to 0. You can imply that 4x square minus 35x minus 375 equal to 0. Now you have to factorize. So here 4 into 375, that is equal to 750 into 2, 1500, and sum will be minus 35, product will be minus 1500. So you factorize first. 2, 750 to 375, 3. 5, 5 2 10. Okay. Now it will be minus 35. Okay, 5 5 is 25, 1 25, this one, 3 5 is 15, 15 2 is 30, 30 plus 60, 60 minus 25, 35. Okay, so one will be 60, another one will be 25, but as 25 and 60, as this one is in minus 35, so larger one will be minus 60, this one is plus 25. So implies that 4x square minus 60x plus 25x minus 375 equal to 0. Implies that 4x taken common equal to x minus 15 plus 25 taken common, that is x minus 15 equal to 0. Imply that x minus 15 whole into 4x plus 25 equal to 0. Imply that x minus 15 equal to 0 or 4x plus 25 equal to 0. Implies that x equal to 15 or this is 4x equal to minus 25, x equal to minus 25 by 4, which is the negative and it is neglected. So the speed cannot be negative. So x is 15, we have taken x is the time taken by time, cannot be negative here. So x is the time taken by the which one? The larger diameter. Tap of a larger diameter is taking 15 hours. So you can write here the tap of a larger diameter is taking 10 hours to fill the tank separately, and the tap B of a smaller diameter will take time x plus 10, that is 15 plus 10, that is equal to 25 hours to fill the tank separately. Okay, thank you.